What is the difference between Agile testing and traditional testing? Now, what I would say is that most testers are trained to do a traditional testing approach. They're trained in an approach that really comes from a factory context, from a QA context of a factory line where you check the quality of your widgets as they go through, and if there's something wrong, you stop them. So from the perspective of quality, what you're trying to do is slow down the output. What you're trying to do is to impede things going through if they're not of the right quality. But in Agile things are a little bit different. In Agile, we think a lot more in terms of flow. We think in terms of how we can reduce and remove impediments. Not how we can actually block things at the end, but how we can speed things up here. So in Agile, what we think from a quality perspective is, how can we intervene here at the start of the project early on to make sure that we are actually progressing in a smoother, safer, more reliable manner? Not let's let the developers do all the work and then stop here and then say, right, this is rubbish, go back and do it again. That's a Taylorian approach. That's a traditional waterfall type approach where you're not injecting quality, you're just putting roadblocks at the end of the process. Then go back, do your homework again. In an Agile process, you want to start early, so think proactively. Think about how you can inject quality, how you can rearrange things, how you can add value early on, how you can prevent defects, how you can improve communication, how you can improve understanding, how you can circumvent problems before they happen. So that is the essence of why in Agile we try and get involved much more early in the process rather than right at the end. That's just what I wanted to explain today. Thanks for listening, folks.